In this video, we would like to discuss 2D slope control on the 333G and provide an overview of the main operation screen. Starting with our top two icons, let's refer to these as our onboard grade indicate. These icons tell us what the cross slope and mainfall are for how the machine is currently positioned. Here our left icon indicates that we are currently sitting at a 0% cross slope and a negative 1% mainfall, telling us that the front of the machine is currently down. A positive mainfall would tell us that the front of the machine is currently up. For remembering up and down and positive and negative percent of slope, specifically for cross slope, we can remember what can be referred to as the right hand rule. So from sitting in the cab of the machine, with the right hand side of the machine up, you will see a positive cross slope. With the right hand side of the machine down, you will see a negative cross slope indicated. Working our way down the screen, looking now to the left side of the screen, let's reference the 3% and 0.7% current readings that are currently showing on the screen. The top left 3% indicator tells us our current live cross slope of our blade. With this being a positive number, this tells us that the right hand side of the blade is up at a 3% cross slope. Our bottom left number, currently sitting at 0.7%, tells us that the main fall of the blade is currently at 0.7%. In the center of the screen, we can see that we are currently in target mode as shown by the target icon. On the right side of our screen, the 3.6% cross slope and 1.2% main fall represent our specified target percent of slope that the operator has entered, that when automatics are enabled, the blade will automatically control to. Right now, we can see that we are at 3% cross slope and 0.7% main fall for where the blade is currently at. Now when we engage the automatics with the press of our right hand joystick trigger, we see the icons turn blue, indicating that autos are engaged and controlling, and with the machine RPMs increased, you can see our left side indicators of our live blade position automatically start to control to and mimic the specified targets which we have entered. Now, let's show the difference with what we have seen with target mode versus joystick mode. We will start by disengaging automatics with our right hand trigger, and we will see the blue icon that automatics are turned on will leave the screen. We'll enter our settings menu and arrow down to slope control mode in order to change our active mode to joystick. When we return to our main run screen, we know that we are in joystick mode as this is indicated by the joystick icon in the center of our screen. Now to demonstrate how joystick mode works, we will change our current blade position as indicated on the left hand side of our screen, with our current blade position changed to a negative 0.2% cross slope and a 0.2% main fall. Now when we click on automatics with our right joystick trigger, we see that the numbers shown on the left side of our live blade position carry over to the right side of our screen for our new target values, which the blade will automatically control to. Anytime that we move the right hand joystick and our current blade position of the cross slope and main fall changes, our target values on the right hand side will update accordingly. To recall the difference in modes, let's think of joystick mode as target mode on the fly. The machine is constantly updating our targets anytime that we move our right hand joystick.